You magnify my God. Oh, He is worthy to be praised. You magnify the Lord. And He is worthy to be praised. Some more. You magnify the Lord. Yeah. And He is worthy of all praise. Yeah. You magnify the Lord. Remove it. He is worthy to be praised. The Lord, the Lord, the Lord. Yeah. So shall I be praised. So shall I be praised. Put your hands together like this. Hey. And we say, blessed be the Lord of my salvation. Oh, the Lord reigneth. Blessed be the rock and the one of my salvation. Let me have a church. The Lord reigneth. Are you sure He rules and reign over your life? Eh? Oh, be it so. The Lord reigneth. Hey. Yes, 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 yes. We'll do it one more time. You are doing well this morning. The Lord reigneth. Hey. Blessed be. Oh, yes. My God reigneth. My God, He rules and reigns. Yes, 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 yes. EPOP, are you ready? Hey. The Lord reigneth. Blessed be His name. He rules and reigns. Hey. Blessed be. Yes, 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 yes. One more. The Lord reigneth. Hey, He rules over the challenges. He rules over the problem. Yes, yes, yes. The Lord reigneth. Hey. Yes, yes, yes. Interlude. Okay.
Interlude.
Put your hands together because Jehovah rules and reigns. It's exalted. Hey, it rules and reigns. Yes, over the challenges. Jesus be high. Jesus be exalted. Yeah. Lift you high. We bless your name, Jehovah. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, and I love this one. Hey, and I say, Oba Tobio, Oba Tobua, Oba Talamaya, Oba Tadia, okay, Chine Memae, I call it to Quebu. I will go one more time. Oba Tobio, Oba Tobua, Oba Talamaya, Oba Tadia, okay, Chine Memae, are you ready? Hey, is it Avatar? My God is Jesus. He will call on the answer. Hey, hey, okay, my God, He answers. I was a little child, I was singing shout for joy. Hey, darling, I know I will use to. Are you sure? And if I was a shining star, you say. And I know that I'm the son of the governor. And if I could control the time, I will go into the garden of you. I will give you the worship that only you deserve. And I will look for beautiful names. And I will go and serve it. And go before the house. Are you ready? Come here, see all of you. I was made to give you praise. To give you worship. Lord, be all I see. I have come to give you praise. To give you worship. I'll be all I see. And I was made to give you praise. To give you worship. Hey, I'll be all I see. I was made to give you praise. To give you worship. Only a fool will look into the heavens and say, only somebody that is smart that will say, Ibuni Babalawo. So who are you? Who is the mountain? Hey, and the sky, the consuming fire. Oh, give alone shall I sorrow. Everybody jump, jump, jump. I have come to give you twilight. Give you worship. Tell me all I see. I was made to give you twilight. To give you worship. Tell me all I see. I was made to give you twilight.
6. She's going to 5. Once I've done it, I'm going to give you out. Let's open it for her.
Give you worship. And let me teach you a song. It's very simple. And I know you will love it. Because even the wordings of the song is talking about what our God can do. Are you ready? Oh, hey, hey. Are you ready? And the song goes like this.
Go.
So go and stand here. My God will bring you up, and He will testify. He shuts the lion's mouth. Go ask the Hebrew boys, if you sit by your side, they will identify. No fuck man in the fight. They'll tell you,
Everybody go.
I just swore. Hey, hey, they'll tell you, it's in the room.
Lorena.
It's in the room. Oh, today it's in the room. I want my back in the one that do that. It's here, make up the question. It's in the room. It's beside you. Yes, it's in the room. It's in the room. Hey, it's in the room. I just twice in the room. It's in the room. Yes, it's in the room. It's in the room. It's in the room. It's in the room. Get up, get up, get up.
Lorena.
Get up, get up, get up. I said get up, get up, get up. I said get up, get up, get up. My kingdom to the room, it's in the room. My kingdom to the room, it's in the room. It's here, it's here, it's here. My kingdom to the room, it's in the room. Yes, it's in the room. I can see it, it's in the room. When it comes to the room, no one gets it. Yes, it's in the room. It's in the room.
Upper hand, upper hand. And for her, she wants to find the way.
It's in the room. It's in the room.
She's finding the way to her. scared. She dey confused.
Yeah. It's in the room. Begin to speak in the language of
Thank you. One Coca-Cola each.